Okay, so I wanted to show you guys a quick way to contour your nose. Not too complicated, especially if you have a bumpy nose. So I've got this little brush here from Amazon. Concealer brush is what it actually is. And I like to take it right into my contour shade. And I like to pay attention to where my brow begins. And that's where I'm going to start to create that shadow for the nose. Now remember, when you're using cream products, they're really easy. So don't worry if you get a little crazy, a little heavy-handed in certain areas. Most important thing that you're going to do to try and thin out that nose is to create a line in the middle that's really thin. Okay, so again, don't be worried. This is going to look a little crazy, but just keep practicing. I like to bring it down to the ball, because I have kind of a ball at the end of my nose, and create this shadow. You can actually kind of shadow the side of your nostril here. See how that's kind of already starting to like thin the nose? Then I go into a lighter shade. This is like my concealer shade. And I'm going to try and keep that line nice and thin. And then take a little bit of that lighter shade and start to blend down. You can also, if it works better, kind of blend upwards this way. And that's going to keep that line nice and thin. Don't try and blend it all the way away. You want a little bit of a line there, but you can totally take your Perfector sponge, nice and thin. So have a little bit of fun with your contour shades. You can use it to contour your nose, line your lips, of course, to contour your cheekbones and give you some lift. But remember, with cream products, you can use them for multiple ways.